Hello.
Hello, teacher Ada.
Welcome to our speaking class. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Quang. I'm changing out. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite color is my favorite color is blue.
Blue. Very good. How are you today, Bob?
I'm happy.
That's good. Okay, now let's start with things for school. Can you tell me what's this?
It is a crown.
Right. What's this?
It is a band.
Very good. This one.
It is a ruler.
Very good. Okay, now answer me with yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay. Is it a backpack? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Or
It
no?
is.
A backpack. Backpack. Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Is it a book?
Yes, it is.
Or is it a pencil case?
No, it isn't.
Is it a table?
No, it isn't.
Is it a bag?
Yes, it is.
Or is it a table?
No, it isn't.
Or a table?
No, it isn't.
Is it a desk?
No, it isn't.
What is it?
It is a table.
It is a table. Now, is it a pencil?
No, it isn't.
Is it a chair?
No, it isn't.
A chair. Is it a chair?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it's very good. Now, what can you name the 6 toys?
It is a game. It is a guy.
Very good.
It is a roll.
Very good.
It is a bag. It is a chair. It is a marble.
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 Very good. Okay, now do you have a train?
Yes, it is.
Yes, I do know.
Yes, I do.
Do you have a game?
Yes, it is. Yes, I do.
Very good. Now let's complete the sentence using mine and your. Okay? Number 1.
It is.
This.
It is the bowl.
Very good. Number 2.
It is my bag.
Very good. Number
It
3.
is my car.
Number 4. This.
It's your red.
My puzzle.
My puzzle.
This is your car.
This is a car. Your car.
Very good. Okay, now let's talk about people. Who is this? She is.
She is a woman.
Very good. Who is this?
He is a boy.
Very good. And who is this?
He is my man.
He is a man.
He is a man.
Who is this?
She is a girl.
Very good. What about you? Are you a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Very good. Now let's talk about your family. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people, 4 people, 6 people. Who are they?
Mom, Dad, Grandma. Me. And boy.
Brother?
Brother.
Yes, okay. Now, look at the picture. Choose the correct answer, okay? And read.
Hello, my name is
Max.
Max. And I have a big family. My grandma
Grandpa. Pa
is
Justin.
study my
Casey. Grandma or aunt?
grandma is
Katie.
Katie. My dad is
Tim or Alex?
Tim. And my
Mother or sister?
mom is Sally.
Sally. My sister is or aunt?
It my sister.
Her or his?
Her. Here
Is Holly.
Holly.
Very good. Now, let's proceed to the phonics. Can you tell me what is the first letter of this? What is it?
Orange.
What's the first letter?
Go.
What is it?
Go.
First letter? What is
Z.
it? What's the first letter?
H. S. Horse. E. Elephant.
Very good. Now, let's match this picture to these words. Let's have the values. Which word is number one? A or B? A, B, or C?
B.
Number one.
B.
Letter. Number one. Letter C.
C.
Share your toys.
Toy.
Number two. A or B?
B.
Letter A.
Take away from
Of
your school
things.
things.
What is it?
B.
Make
Friends at school.
Okay, thank you, Claude. That's the end of our speaking testing. Goodbye.
Yeah, I think so.